Okay, so here's the new rug. I thought we'd do something darker this time because the light stuff just keeps staining. So we thought we'd get a new one, or darker. But the new one makes all the difference in the world. The old one was so gross. And for 50 bucks, it's worth it. We also got this in here, a little bath mat, because all they do is they throw a little towel down, and it's not very good, not very plush. We got some bulbs. We got the wrong type for the kitchen, so we're gonna have to go back. These are special bulbs. What else do we do? Oh, we got a umbrella. Here's the umbrella. The old one was 9 foot, by the way. This one's the exact same size. It's real nice, looks great. And we got a beachy themed doormat out front here. Beachy themed. I'm organizing all of this, pulling everything out. Those are all going to be thrown away. We'll keep these here. We bought one new one. That's about it. Like I said, we spent about 500 bucks. All right, just hose down the outside of the window sills. Actually, hose down all the walls. Excuse me, there was a lot of junk on the wall. Just dirt, grime. Hose down all the doors, windows, window sills, and then pulled out the Windex and cleaned these suckers. They were a mess. Ian probably did a lot of that. I was responsible for a lot of that, but they look great now. Okay, here's what we've done for the trip. I've stocked up the pods. We bought Windex and that scrubbing bubbles thing for the toilet and the shower, so that's good to go. That's ready to go for the guests. We added a pillow. We added pillow cases. We bought 2 additional beach towels. They are right here. That's all inside of that. We bought a hand soap dispenser, and we got the refill here. We've also stocked a bunch of toilet paper down here, and we bought toilet paper and paper towels. We have extra ones up there.